Hi there, so what are we gonna do today? We will make some avocado sauce. Have many different varieties of avocado sauce. We can make it simple. So basically, we cut a tomato on the small cubes, put it here after we mixed everything. Onion, a little bit of onion. Basically, you can change ingredients, and some people like to add garlic, but I think, in my opinion, garlic is not really suitable here. So I cut the onion on the same small cubes. Basically, you can keep the sauce like in the cubes, or you can smash it, or you can put it in a blender and make it more creamy, I would say. Okay, onion, tomato is ready. So we need avocado, obviously, and lemon or lime. We'll put it there. Let's make slightly interesting taste. So one avocado, it's a little bit green. This avocado a little bit green, not ready, but this is too soft. But basically, you can use both of them. If it's too green, it will taste really not good. So taste it first. It's in the right condition. Okay, so this is too green. So, avocado inside already, a little bit of lime. That's it. Our sauce is ready. You can keep it like that, or you can smash it, put it in a blender, whatever. So basically it can be like any style, literally. Now I need to mix it up somehow. Okay, so it's been in 1 minute, 2 minutes, you can make really cool sauce. So if you smash it, it will be cool dips for your other food. Okay, done. Well, what additionally we can do really cool drinks, but usually I drink like a pre-workout. So we need ginger. Also, you can use some peppermint, maybe anise, some other cool spices, but actually only ginger and lime or lemon. You can use both through that too. It will taste good already. So squeeze everything in. Yeah, also if you have to know a little bit about the minerals, like a sugar stone. Basically, I saw many times on the river when animals come and licking these sugar stones because have a lot of different kinds of minerals. So basically, you can put a stone in the water, a little bit drink that water, but a little bit, because you don't need too much minerals. So that's it, our super drink is ready. smell, taste good, and hopefully natural and healthy. So it's how sauce look like.